Hello, I am your monster friend. Can you say hello? Hello? Today we learn about food. I like apples. Apple. Now you say it. Apple. Warm bread. Bread. Now you say it. Bread. Hot soup. Soup. Now you say it. Soup. Cold milk. Milk. Now you say it. Milk. A yellow banana. Banana. Now you say it. Banana.
And cake. My favorite. Cake.
Now you say it. Cake.
Say them with me. Apple. Bread.
Say them with me. Soup. Soup. Milk. Say them with me. Banana. Cake. Apple. Bread. Soup. Milk. Banana. Cake. That was fun. You did very well.